Trading is easy when you buy from the zone to another or when you sell from the zone to another zone. Whether you're trading forex, stock, cryptocurrencies, indices, or future. That's how professional traders make money in the market. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again, guys. This is and today's video I'm going to teach you how can you enter from the reversal areas and consistently taking entries to another reversal areas. How can you deal with the internal areas? That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, and we're gonna be back in a minute and look on how can we be consistently make money from one zone to another. Okay, welcome back. Let's start by knowing what we're gonna be looking for. So, as you know, the market moves from the high to the low and even from the low to the high. This is the high and here will be the low. So, what the market does is to move from reversal areas. Like, for example, if we are from the downside moving to the upside, meaning that the buyers are controlling the market. So when we are from upside, from the areas of reversal, which are bearish reversal, that's when the sellers are controlling the market. Okay, so the expectation from someone who wants to enter the market is going to be looking for areas of reversal. What are we going to do from here? We are looking on how can we be consistent trading and following the trend from the beginning. Okay, for example, if we are trading from the upside, to start from this area, taking a trade up to this area from the strong area of resistance or supply zone to the areas of demand to buy from. So the areas where we are expecting the market to reverse from, that's where we are going to be starting from by following the trend. So how can we do that and be consistent in the market? So now we have the market that is moving up. So as we are moving up, we are approaching the areas of reversal. These areas of reversal, these are supply zone. So this is a supply zone, and this area has been also rejected from this area. Okay, so in general, this zone is very strong. So as the market is moving up, the target from someone who entered from these areas is targeting this area. Why? Because this area is imbalance. What are we going to be looking for? We need the market to come back and retest from this area, which is a very strong zone, so that we can buy from this supply and continue following. We are going to look at that and see if we get that confirmation to go for sell. So that is the rule number one. We are rejecting from strong area, and that's where we are going to be waiting from that area. So we are looking for a bearish reversal. Let's see what the market is going to give us if we can get that opportunity. Okay, the market keep moving up by breaking the previous range, so means that we are approaching our supply zone. Let's see what the market is gonna give us as we are still moving up. When we are approaching this area, this is an area where the sellers are ready to take the market down. So what we're gonna be looking for now, we need the market start showing us that we are going in the downside. So we need some kind of rejection from this area, which we have already started from this area, and start making a lower low, lower high, so that we can confirm that we are going in the downtrend. So confirmation number one, we're rejecting this area. So let's see if we can keep rejecting from there. Okay, the market keep pushing up. We broke above again, rejected from this area. So let's see what happened. We are still moving up. Okay, we are moving down. So we started breaking the previous low. So this is a previous low. This one which means that the market is making higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So this is also a lower low because we broke the previous first low. So as we are looking for sell, we need the market to form a chart pattern, maybe it's a head and shoulder, making a lower lows and lower highs. That's where you are going to getting an opportunity to enter for sale. Let's see what the market is going to do if we can get that confirmation. So we are also rejecting from this area as a lower high. So let's get back to our rule. This is in general supply area, which is also a neckline from this area. So this is like when the market is making a triple top, breaking below, make a retest to continue in the downtrend. So this is what we have right now. So any confirmation that we are getting from this area will be strong enough because we have an area where to set a stop loss, because this area has been rejected multiple times from this area. So let's go back to our entries and see what happened. Okay, if we get a bearish candle, we can even enter from this area. Okay, let's see if we can get that bearish candle. Okay, we got a bearish candle. Okay, as long as you decide to enter from this area, remember your stop loss will be above the stronger zone, will be above this rejection. Okay, if we enter from this area, we are going to be taking a sell from this area. The stop loss will be above the zone. So now, as I was talking about, we are looking for trading a reversal to the downside or bearish reversal. So the target will be the previous stronger zone. What is the previous stronger zone? Where the bullish reversal started from. This is an area where the market started from by moving up. Okay, this one will be our target. So we have two strong zones. This zone is for sellers, is for us to sell from, and this zone down here is for buyers where they started moving up, as you can see from this area. Okay, so our target will be from this area. Okay, stop loss above the previous high, which is a very strong zone. So the reason why we are setting our stop loss above this zone, because this zone is very stronger. Even the market can pull back. If we set our stop loss from this area, the market can make a pullback and make a double top from this area, where the stop loss will be from here. So where you can take a loss from this area, as long as you keep in your mind that this zone is stronger, you have to trust your strategy and set a stop loss above this zone. So if the market make a high again with making a double top, you will be still in the market looking for bearish reversal. So okay, now let's see what the market is gonna give us if we are going to keep looking for other entries to continue in the downtrend. Okay, we are moving down. So now we are still making lower lows and lower highs. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna do here. Also, we have this area we left. So we have two areas to wait from. Okay, so this is an area of supply zone, this one. Okay, and also we have this area which is also a supply zone. So if I'm waiting to also taking another entry for sale, I will be waiting from these two areas, from this one, from this one. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us. Even here we started rejecting from this area, let's see if we can get an entry with the bearish candlestick, because this is a low, lower high, lower low, lower high to go for the lower low. Let's see if we can get bearish candlestick so that we can enter from that area. Remember, we have to be consistent and follow the trend. Okay, so now we got this candlestick which is bearish harami, Okay, so let's also enter from this area. Remember, we are confident that the market will keep moving down because we are rejecting from the stronger zone. So our stop loss is still above the previous stronger area where we are reversing from. Our target will be the same as the previous entry. So what I'm gonna be looking for, if you want to be consistent in the market, make sure that as long as you enter twice, you have to look for some area to secure the profit. Those areas which are stronger, where the market can reject easily from, so that's where you secure some profit and you leave the rest run to your TP or your target. Okay, we also got an entry from that area. Let's see if we can continue get other opportunities to enter for sale. Okay, the market pushing up. We are approaching. Okay, moving down. Let's see, we started making a lower low. We are approaching to our first target. Okay, rejecting from there. So here, this is also an entry from this area. Okay, someone who understands how the market move, how price action work, this is very easy to take entries. Okay, this entire area is for sellers to move from. So as we are rejecting from this area, I will be also looking for sell. But remember, I still remember that the market can even pull back and also reject again from the zone. So that's why my stop loss will be still above this area. If you are not confident with that, you have to wait for more confirmation, as I'm going to be talking about them for the next move below this area. Okay, so we are rejecting from that area, no confirmation. Let's see what happened. We got this candle, so that where we are going to be entering from also for sale. Okay, remember, as we are targeting this zone, we are still confident that we are going to set our stop loss above this area. Okay, so when we start breaking below this area, let me show you where we're gonna be confident that the market is gonna make us reduce our stop loss. If we start breaking below this area, which is strong enough, we'll be confident that we are going to stay below this zone. So that's why I'm gonna be shifting my stop loss to break even or to lock some profit. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna do here to be confident for the next move of entries. Okay, we are still moving down, so rejected from that area. We are moving up, rejected from that. Consolidation, this is a consolidation. Okay, we broke below this area. Let's see what happened. Okay, we broke above that area again. Let's see what happened. The market breaking below this area. Are we going to continue in the downside, or we are going to be making a pullback to the upside? Okay, let's see what happened. So we are supposed to enter from this area to take another sell. As long as this candlestick is breaking above this area, this is a sign that we can also make a pullback to retest from this area or to the previous stronger area where we reversed from. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna do here. We are still consolidating, we are moving up. So this is how the market moves. So we made a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, then we failed to make a lower low. We started making a higher high. So that's why I will be waiting from this area and even the area we reversed from. to take a sell. So I'm confident that I'm not going to take a buy from this area because I'm in the downtrend. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna do here so that we can get an opportunity. We are rejecting from this area, no confirmation. Let's see these candles. Okay, rejecting from there. So we are still moving up. We rejected from there. So I have to be careful from this area. If the market change the direction internal the trend by moving against the trend, make sure that that is a deep pullback. So the areas where we are going to be waiting from to sell from have to be those areas which are very strong. If I sell from this area, the market has the possibility to move and make a balance from this area. This is a demand area internal the downtrend, so that the market can continue moving up to this area where I'm gonna be taking another opportunity to move down again. So that's why I have to be careful to enter from this zone. I'm gonna be waiting for the market, what is gonna give. If we reject from this area, I will be expecting the market to move up to this area where we started reversing from. Okay, let's see what happened. We are rejecting from that area. Let's see. If we break below this area, I will be looking for sell again, because the market will be fair to continue upside to change the direction by expecting a pullback to balance this area, so that I will be starting making a lower low and lower high. So I will be confident for the downtrend. Okay, let's see what happens. So now if I to continue downside, now we are moving up. So where am I gonna be waiting from? The areas where I entered from at the first moment, that's where I'm gonna be waiting from. Still looking for sell, because this area is very strong. We are rejecting from this area, so I'm gonna be looking for entries as I'm rejecting from there. Okay, so I got a good candle which is trying to make a lower low from the supply zone. So as long as I get the confirmation from this supply zone, so what I'm gonna be looking for is this is a lower low, this is a lower, I will be looking for a lower high to go for lower low. So let's see what the market is gonna do here so that we can enter for sell. Okay, now we got this bearish harami candlestick. So now I'm gonna take a sell from this area by anticipating the price to continue until we get to the previous stronger zone where a bullish reversal started from. Okay, this is my entry for sell. Okay, here I'm gonna, as long as the market is balanced, I'm gonna be trusting my stop loss above that area. Even I'm gonna be shifting this stop loss to this area. As long as we are moving down, I will be looking for lower lows and lower highs and buy from the high to the low. So now let's see what the market is gonna give us from this area. We are moving down. So now the market keep pushing down as our target is the same as the previous target. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna do from this area. So we are making an imbalanced high, because we are supposed to pull back and make a balance from this supply zone. So we are going to be waiting from the downside or the upside, because we are not trusting this area to sell from there. Okay, let's see what the market gonna do from that area. So we are still moving down. Sedation. Let's see what happened. This also left as a supply zone. even if it's not strong enough, even in general this one, because we missed this area. So let's see what the market is gonna give us from that area. Okay, pushing down, consolidating, no momentum. Okay, also you can take a trade from this area because we got this. So I'm gonna be staying away from taking this trade because I don't trust this area. Let's see if we can make another low to the high so that we can take another opportunity for sale. Okay, so now I'm gonna be waiting also again from this area. If I get any kind of retracement from this area or from supply area, that will be an opportunity for sale. Let's see what happened. Okay, I'm gonna be entering as long as I'm missing this area. From that candle, I will enter from here. The stop loss will be above the previous high. My target will be the same size as the previous entries. Okay, let's play out and see if we can get to our target. Okay, let's see now what the market is gonna give us from there. Okay, the market is pulling back, moving down. We are close to our target. Let's see consolidation. Have to wait. So now we go to our target. So the previous area where we rejected from, that's where we took our target as the market continue moving down. As we are looking for a bullish reversal, we need to make sure that the area that we are rejecting from is strong enough or has been rejected multiple times so that we can buy from this area, anticipating the price that we continue until we get to these stronger bearish reversal areas. Okay, that's what we're gonna be looking for. So now by starting with that, we are going to be looking for example. So we need to start trading from the low. Okay, here we have this market. So now the market is rejecting from this area. Let me go and start from here. So we rejected from here and we are going to be connecting and see if we can get any multiple, if we can get different multiple rejection from downside. This is going to be the low area bullish reversal zone where the market has the high possibility to be rejecting from to go for buy. Okay, let's see now. The market is now in this area. Can we get some kind of rejection as a sign that of bullish reversal? So if we reject again from this area, where are we going to be targeting? Okay, in general, this is the last stronger zone where we then came to balance the area. So if we are rejecting from this area, we are expecting the market to change the direction to the upside. So that's what we're gonna be looking for from this area. Okay, so the anticipation will be targeting this area. So let's see if we can get the signs of bullish reversal and we take an opportunity to follow the trend. Okay, so what I'm gonna be looking for here, I will be looking for the market making a lower low and start making a lower high in this area so that we can now confirm the uptrend continuation. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us from this area. Okay, the market is now rejecting from this area. So let's see what happened. Okay, moving up. So we left this demand area from this candle where if the market continue upside and making a higher low from this area, we are going to be expecting to buy from there. Okay, so now let's see what happened. The market keep pushing up. We are waiting from that area. Let's see what happened. So the market failed to come and balance this area. We are still moving up and down. So as long as we are pulling back, there's no confirmation for buy. I need the market to balance the area to make sure that I'm gonna be going upside. Okay, this is a consolidation. Let's see what happened. Okay, now we are approaching this area, so we are rejecting from this area. Let's see what happened. Again, rejected from there. Let's see, now we are in our area of entries. Okay, so can we take a buy? Yes, the answer is yes. We have this bullish harami where we can enter for buy from. So remember, as we are in uptrend reversal areas, we have to target a very big profit. So that's where the professional traders make money in the market with the swing trading strategy. Also, with those on who are day traders who makes money from the strong zone with better entries. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking a buy long position from this area. Remember, the stop loss will be below the strong zone. Okay, the stop loss have to be below this area, and our target will be from this area, from this one. So also, as we are starting getting some opportunities to enter for buy, I will also be looking for other entries to continue buying in the trend. Okay, so as you can see, if you make this trend line from this area, you have two lows where we confirm that we started an uptrend. Okay, remember, the most important thing here is to trust the zone. Okay, let's see what the market is gonna give us if we are gonna be. Okay, now we have another entry from this area. We have another demand zone from this area. This is also an inverse head and shoulder that formed from here. Let's see, in general, this is a head and shoulder. Okay, from this neckline, this is a demand zone. The market pulls back from there, making a high highs and high lows. That's where we are gonna be entering from for buy. So let's see what the market's gonna do here. So now we have the confirmation that we pulled back. So we need a bullish candle to enter from there. So now we have bullish harami again. The entry is gonna be from this area. The stop loss will be now. This area or this trade is balanced. I can shift my stop loss to this area. This is our previous strong area, and the stop loss here will be from this area. As long as the market is balanced, the stop loss will be from this area, from this area. So anticipating the price to continue until we get to our target. Okay, so now let's see what the market is gonna do from there. Can we continue upside? Yes, the answer is we have the high probability to continue upside. Okay, the market keep pushing up as we are making higher highs and higher lows. We are creating opportunities to buy from. This is also another demand area where we can buy from. If the market pulls back from this area, this is where I'm gonna be entering from for another opportunity to buy. Okay, the market keep pushing up. Let's see what happened. We are still waiting from our previous areas, higher highs and higher lows. Let's see what happened. We are rejecting from this area. Let's check if we have internal area where, okay, I have to wait until we get to our entries. So the market keep pushing down. So this is an entry from this area. I'm gonna be taking a buy from there. Let's see if we can get a bullish candle. Okay, let's see, this is an entry from this area. Buying from here. The stop loss will be the same size as the previous entries. So, okay, remember you have to look for better entries and then you make money in the market. So now the market is balanced. So let's see how we can move up. Moving up again, making a double bottom. Yes, this is also a demand area to buy from. This one, even for someone who trade double bottom, this is a neckline. If the market pulls back from this area, we are going to be entering from there. Okay, the market keep pushing up, up, up. Let's see what happened. So we are still making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, we only look to enter from strong area. Also here we have this opportunity to buy from this demand area, but remember, as long as we left this area which is imbalanced, our stop loss will be also below this area, and this stop loss, this one have to be below this area, below this area. This one can be even moved to break even because we are now in a good profit from there. The target is still the same as the previous entries from this area. Also, if we are looking for, because we are not going to be entering and hold so many trades, because it's better to be securing some profits. The area to secure some profit from are those areas where the market has high probability to be rejecting from. These are areas to reject from until we continue to our target. Okay, so we have 4 trades running. We got the first trade, which is where we got the confirmation. Let's see if we can keep moving up. So the market keep moving up. So now also we left this area. This is also a demand area. The market now is balanced way, so we are getting better entries. Okay, let's see if we can pull back from our previous area so that we can enter from there. The market keep pushing up, so we have this area where we can buy from. Okay, let's take a look on this opportunity. Can we buy from this area? The answer is yes or no. It will all depends on how you understand, on how you planned with your capital. Remember, if you enter from this area, you have to make sure that you are on the strong area to be buying from. Okay, your opportunity is that this zone in general, the market has been rejected from there multiple times. This is a resistance area, and now the market change this area and turn it into support. So that's why we are going to be taking a trade from this area. The stop loss will be below this area, because as long as you enter this area, if you don't set a stop loss from this area, it will be below or the same as our previous stop losses. Okay, this one have to be, yes, have to stay here. So we are waiting for bullish candle so that we can enter from this area also again. Okay, we broke below, so here that's why you have to wait for the confirmation. Okay, so we are rejecting from this area. I'm not going to be enter from there. So now we go to our previous area where we can take a buy if we get a bullish candle. Let's see what happened. Okay, consolidating. Okay, we are still moving to make an equal low from this area. Let's see what happened. We are still moving down. Okay, so this is what I was talking about, guys. You have to be careful and learn how the price move. Remember, we left at an area here which was imbalance. That's where the market pulls back and make a retracement to balance this area. So now the market is balanced. We are going to take this opportunity to buy from this area. So if we buy from this area, we take an entry from this area, it will be a good opportunity to go for buy, and our stop loss will be small. Okay, so taking a buy with these candlesticks confirmation, the stop loss will be below the previous low. all our stop loss are from these areas. This is the 5th trade that we are taking for buy. These all opportunities are from one trend, uptrend. Okay, so this is an entry also. Again, I'm gonna be looking for how can we keep pushing up. The market is moving up. This is so amazing, moving up. Okay, so we have also, this is a demand zone, this area here. Remember, if we enter from this area, your stop loss will be below this area. Let's see if we can, because as long as you enter from this area, this is an opportunity for you to buy, but you have to make sure that your stop loss will be below this area, because the market have the possibility of pulling back and making a equal low from this area, so that continue upside. So let's see if we can get a confirmation and we enter from that area, but the stop loss will be the same size as the previous entries. Okay, pin bar. Now we got these bullish candles which are not strong enough. Let's see, can we enter from this area? Let's see for another candle. Okay, the market looks with no stronger candlestick. Okay, let's see what happens. So even here internal in the consolidation or ranging market, we have a what? We have a demand zone from this area. Even now, if we get a bullish candle, I'm gonna be entering from this area. I'm looking just for the entries for buy. As long as we confirm that we are in the uptrend, we started from reversal areas, and we are also confident that we are going to get to our target. That's what you have to keep in your mind. That's why you have to backtest to get that confident. Okay, so let's see here what the market is gonna give us as an entry to enter for buy again. Okay, let's see what happened. Rejecting from here, so we go to breaking below this zone. There's no entry from this area. Let's see what we're gonna be waiting from this area down. So we are rejecting from here. Okay, this is also an entry. We are going to be entering from this area, then anticipating the price to continue moving up. The stop loss is below the previous low. Even the stop loss can be below from this area, as long as the market is balanced. This moment we have confidence that the market will keep pushing up because we are from strong areas. Okay, so let's see now if the market is gonna respect our entries. So let's see what happened. We are pushing up. We are still in the good process. So now the market pushing up again, continue moving up. Also, we have this area as a demand zone. If the market pulls back from this area, we are going to be entering from there. Okay, so we are making higher highs. Let's see, we go to higher low from this area. I'm not interested to enter from this retracement. If you enter from this retracement, make sure that your stop loss is below this area. Okay, let's see what happened. Let's make an entry from this area, and the stop loss will be set below this area. Okay, so let's also take this opportunity. Enter from this area. The stop loss is below, because we have this demand area which is not balanced. The market can pull back and balance that area. So someone who entered with that entries will be taking a loss. Then the market will continue in the same direction. Okay, target is the same. Okay, how many trades do we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think this is 7 now. Okay, yes, this is number 7. Can we continue upside? Okay, now we continued upside. So now we have also this retracement from this area, but I'm not interested with it. Let's continue and see what happened. Okay, so this is where we entered before from. We created this small demand area. Can we take a buy from there? If we take a buy from this area, the stop loss will be the same. Okay, let's see if we can get, before we do that, confirmation from bullish candle. So the market keep pushing down. Okay, rejected from there. Okay, so here, as long as we have an equal low from this area, this one and this are equal lows. So let's be patient and wait for the higher highs. As we are now consolidating, I need to make a higher high so that you can make a higher low to go for the higher high. Okay, let's see what happened. Up, they're still moving up. Remember, this is also a demand area. Okay, now we got also another entry from this area. So I'm gonna be entering from this area because this is a higher high from this area. Even if we didn't break above this area, this is an opportunity also to be buying from this area. So where am I gonna be setting a stop loss? The stop loss is going to be below this area because there is an area here which is not balanced. That's why I have to be careful with setting the stop loss. Where is the target is the same as the previous target, very big. Okay, man, so many trades that we are taking from this uptrend continuation. That is a very big opportunities for someone who want to be consistent and doing your back test so that you can make money in the market consistently. Okay, so let's see if we can continue upside. Let's see what happened now. The market keep pushing up by breaking the previous higher highs. Even these ones are all entries. Okay, higher highs. Okay, if you want to wait for another entry, you're going to be waiting from these areas, and the same as from here. Let's see what happened. Okay, this is an entry also, very easy, is visible. Let's set a stop loss below this area. Okay, let's see, can we set a stop loss from that area? This area is not well balanced, so that we have to make a stop loss from this area at least, and our target still the same. Okay, so amazing uptrend continuation from GJ. Okay, so now we are pushing up. Let's see what happened. The market keep pushing up. So from here we are going to be playing. How many trades do we have in the market now? So these all first trades have to be in the what, break even or locking some profits, because we broke all the previous strong areas. We are making higher highs, and this is our target. So how many trades we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 also. There are even other opportunities that you can take from this area. So let's play it out and see what happens with the market. If we can get with this target to balance an area, okay, let's see what happens. Okay, we are moving up. Amazing. We are moving up. Consolidation. Breaking above the previous high. Consolidation, but we are still in profit. Okay, now we are breaking above. The market keep pushing up. Can we get to our target? Can we get to our target? These are our target. Okay, let's see if we can get to our target. Okay, consolidation. Okay, we go to our target now with the trend continuation from the bullish reversal from the strong zones. Okay, so now we kept moving up and we got to our target with 9 trades consistently, better entries. So guys, you have to repeat this video like 4 times to make sure that you master these entries, and also go and back test the what? Go and back test the strategy. Even go back in our previous videos and check on the videos which is talking about reversal areas. Okay, that video I think is called reversal. What is a reversal? So where are we reversing from with the market? That's what we've been looking for. The market rejected from the strong areas. That's where we're expecting reversal. That's where we took these entries from by targeting the previous strong area where the market was imbalanced. This was on head and shoulders. That's where we left a supply area or a neckline where the market can reject from, also to move to the downside. Okay, that was amazing, guys. Like the video. Remember even to subscribe on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and be safe.